Hello, good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the marketing information system. This is actually a part of the first module. In the last class, we have discussed about the introduction to marketing, then what are the evolution of concepts in marketing, and what is marketing mix, and what are the 4 P's, and also what are the extended P's in marketing. Now today, let us see what is marketing information system. Marketing information system is a management information system designed to support marketing decision making. This is the definition given by Jobber. That is, it is a system in which marketing data is formally gathered, stored, analyzed, and distributed to managers in accordance with their informational needs on a regular basis. So marketing, in earlier times, marketing was having a very narrow definition, but now it has got a broader definition in which it is considered as a system in which the marketing information system is considered to be a mix of data in which it is formally gathered, stored, analyzed, and also distributed to the interested parties in accordance with their informational needs, and this will be done on a regular basis. But this is marketing information system is actually a part of the management information system, and we are making use of the IT technology also in order to gather, store, analyze, and distribute the data. And in marketing information system, these are the main components. That is, there are certain internal records. There will be marketing intelligence system, marketing decision support system, and marketing research, which is very important uh, in marketing information system. So you have to keep all the records related to the marketing information system to make it more effective. So without marketing information system, the chain of modern industry will not work. That is, consequently, the customers will be separated from the system. So it is necessary that you have to keep um, all the components in the system together, and also to provide the uninterrupted uninterrupted information to the parties. സോ ഈ ഒരു ചെയിന് മിസ്സായി പോകരുത് എന്നുള്ളതാണ് മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം കൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ ഹാസ് ടു റീച്ച് ഓൾ ദി പാർട്ടീസ് ഓൺ റെഗുലർ ബേസിസ്, ആൻഡ് ഫോർ വിച്ച് ദിസ് മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം ഇസ് ബീയിങ് developed. And actually the need for marketing information system was that you all know that the consumer needs and wants has increased, and there is growing complexity in the marketing field. A lot of competitions has been taking place in the marketing field, and there is consumer grievances happening in this field. And the it was found that there is a lack of planning in this field. Later, due to the research activities, this marketing information system was formulated. And marketing information system brings in all the internal records, and marketing intelligence system, and marketing decision support system, and also the marketing research together to give the maximum to the customers. And the steps involved in marketing information system uh, is, first you have to analyze what is the uh, goal, or what is the expected outcome, and you have to analyze it and determine the matrices which will help. Metrics in the sense the variables which will contribute towards the goal. So those metrics has to be determined, and you have to gather the data based on this metrics. So goal analysis is very important as far as the marketing information system is concerned. And uh, while analyzing the goal, you also have to decide the variables which will add to the goal. Like you can say that when you are doing the marketing, there are several elements to the marketing, like the customers, their needs and wants, their feedbacks, then their opinion about the product, then their expectations. All these things have to be understood in detail, and the data related to it has to be collected, for which the company may be using certain, or the MIS may be using certain survey method or questionnaire method by which the data will be collected, and this data will be plotted. And there comes the importance of this technology that is being used, and this data will be plotted, and proper communications will be used for sharing this data, and then the decisions will be made on the basis of this. So the role of MIS is actually to determine the metrics based on which the decisions has to be taken, and this metrics has to be, data has to be gathered related to the metrics, and it has to be plotted in a plotted properly. And the different types of MIS is, one is MIS which relates to the internal data of a company. That is, company will have a lot of customer database and product related features and other documents which relate to the inside factors of the company. അപ്പോൾ അതിനെ ബേസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് MIS ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. That is one aspect. Another one is MIS which is developed on the base of the competitive intelligence. That is, the company will have to withstand in the market with the competitors, for which definitely the company will be doing certain the company will be doing certain activities by which the company want to understand what the competitors are doing. അപ്പോൾ കോമ്പറ്റേറ്റീവ് ഇൻ്റലിജൻസ് MIS പ്രധാനമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗോൾ സെറ്റിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ സ്റ്റെപ്സ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, അതിൽ ഗോൾ അനാലിസിസ് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഗോൾ അനാലിസിസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഹൗ ടു വിത്ത്സ്റ്റാൻഡ് ദി കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. So there will be certain competitive factors which has to be determined, and what are the steps that you are taking to withstand the competition. Then the next one is the marketing research. In case of marketing research, it is actually a research oriented activity by which you have to improve the marketing activities. അപ്പോൾ പുതുതായിട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിൽ എന്തൊക്കെ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് ഇന്നോവേഷൻസ് കൊണ്ടുവരാം, എങ്ങനെ ഇതൊക്കെ ആൾക്കാരിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കാം, ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് റിസർച്ചിൽ നോക്കുന്നത്. സോ this thing, that is, MIS can be based on internal data, or it can be based on the competitive intelligence, or it can be based on marketing research. And the importance of MIS is it helps in decision making. That is, the company can take the right decision after having a detailed analysis using the marketing information system, and all the factors will be considered while the decisions being taken. Now, the second importance is, as we already mentioned, it gives a detailed analysis of different variables, and hence it will be helpful for the company to take the right decisions. And the marketing information system will make use of both the primary and secondary sources. As you know, primary data means survey അല്ലെങ്കിൽ questionnaire ഒക്കെ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് data collect ചെയ്യുക. This is what I told earlier. If you want to get a feedback from the customer, which is a metrics in your analysis, then to get the feedback, you can use the primary questionnaire and all. Now, secondary sources means you will have to take from the previous data, which is already available with the company. Now, the other one is the monitoring system. And in case of the monitoring system, regular monitoring of what is happening in the company has to be undertaken. So that is also possible with MIS, and a strategy can be formulated, and the policy can be implemented, and it is updated technology. And updated technology can be, you can update your technology, and new techniques or the new innovating things can be introduced in the market. And even MIS can be used to predict the consumer demand. That is what prediction is possible, because you are analyzing what is presently happening in the market, and with this analysis it is possible to understand what will be the future, isn't it? അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഏരിയയിൽ if you feel like the customers are not satisfied in one particular product or any feature of a product, then then some improvement can be done, and you can predict what will be the customer demand in the future. So such predictions are also possible with MIS. And so these are the marketing information system, which tells about the management information system, which uh, it is a part of management system which actually gather, store, and analyze and distribute all the details to the managers for the purpose of decision making. ഇനി അതിൻ്റെ തന്നെ മറ്റൊരു പാർട്ടാണ് സ്ട്രാറ്റജിക് മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് പ്ലാനിങ്, വിച്ച് ഇസ് ആക്ച്വലി എ വെരി യൂസ്ഫുൾ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഡൺ ബൈ ദ കമ്പനീസ് for the overall setting up the overall marketing goals സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഒരു സ്ട്രാറ്റജിക് പ്ലാനിങ് കമ്പനികൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. And it is actually a planned approach or a scientific approach to be completed in order to achieve the goals. And there are several external factors and internal factors which contributes to the strategic plan. Like external factors means like this കമ്പനിയുടെ പുറത്തുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങൾ, ഗവൺമെന്റ് പോളിസീസ്, പൊളിറ്റിക്കൽ ഇൻസ്റ്റബിലിറ്റി, പ്രഷേഴ്സ് ഫ്രം ദ സ്റ്റേക്ക് ഹോൾഡേഴ്സ്, ദെൻ inflation rates, all these will have an effect on the strategic marketing plan. So there are external factors which affects the marketing, and there are also internal factors like what is the organization structure, what is the commitment of the people, then what is the growth or the expansion plan of the company. All these things are internal to the organization. Both these internal and the external activities or the factors have got a impact on the strategic planning, and because of these factors influence, actually the company have thought of developing a specific strategic plan. And strategic marketing planning has also got certain advantages also, that is it is very effective in the utilization of all the resources of the company, because you will be taking into account all the man, material, machinery, everything that is being used in the company. അപ്പോൾ ഇതെല്ലാം വൃത്തിക്ക് എങ്ങനെ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം എന്നുള്ളതാണ് അതിൽ പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ അതുകൊണ്ട് it results in effective utilization of the resources, and also it helps to minimize the cost and to have a competitive advantage over the other competitors, and how to win the customers. These are actually the reason why the company go for strategic planning. And the steps involved in strategic planning is, as we mentioned in marketing information system, here also there will be certain goals that is set by the company. Those are the marketing goals. Then we have to conduct a marketing audit. Then a marketing research will be conducted, and a detailed analysis of this research will be done, by which you will identify the target audience. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് പ്ലാനിങ് അല്ലേ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, അപ്പോൾ അതിന് കൃത്യമായ ഒരു സ്ട്രാറ്റജി ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് you will identify the target audience will be identified, and you will determine a budget. And അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഫുൾഫിൽ ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ബഡ്ജറ്റ് എത്ര വരും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് സ്ട്രാറ്റജീസ് എന്തൊക്കെ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം, ഒരു ഇംപ്ലിമെന്റേഷൻ ഷെഡ്യൂൾ, അതായത് ഏത് ടൈം തൊട്ട് ഏത് ടൈം വരെ നമുക്ക് ഈ സ്ട്രാറ്റജീസ് അഡോപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എപ്പോഴാണ് നമ്മൾ റിവ്യൂ നടത്തേണ്ടത്, എപ്പോഴാണ് ഇത് അപ്ഡേറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ദീസ് തിങ്സ് വിൽ ബി ഇൻക്ലൂഡഡ് ഇൻ ദി implementation schedule. And last, you will be doing an evaluation process. So these are some of the steps in strategic marketing planning. So you need to understand what is strategic marketing planning and what is the need for it. Need actually comes because of the influence of the external and internal factors on the marketing. And these are some of the steps involved in the strategic marketing plan. So this is for today. That is, what is marketing information system and what are its components. These are the components of marketing information system. What are the steps of marketing information system? What are the different types of marketing information system, and what is its important? Then what is strategic marketing planning, and what are the steps in strategic marketing planning? So with this, we have come to an end of today's session. Thank you.